In this video, I will guide you how to insert screenshot in Word document. Let me open my on-screen keyboard, and on the screen you can see that this is the print screen button. You need to press it and now head to the area where you want to take the screenshot. For example, I am selecting this area. And now close it and simply Ctrl plus V all together to insert the screenshot in Word document. You can resize it by dragging from this point of the screenshot corner, and you cannot move this screenshot on the Word document. For this you need to click on this Word layout option and click on the square. And now you can easily move this screenshot anywhere on the page. So I hope you understand how you can insert screenshot in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.